The wiper arms, green arrows, are driven by a motor, red arrow, located beneath the wiper cowl trim. Remove the wiper cowl seal, red arrow. Start at the left side and peel it off the cowl. Working at the left wiper arm, mark the wiper arm location for reinstallation. Then remove the plastic cap covering the wiper arm nut by pulling it straight off if it's still equipped with it. Then remove the 13mm nut as indicated by the red arrow. Once the nuts are removed, wiggle the wiper arm back and forth gently and lift. They should pop off the pivot. If they are stuck, use a battery terminal puller, red arrow, to remove them. Working at the right wiper arm, mark the wiper arm location for reinstallation. Then remove the plastic cap covering the wiper arm nuts by pulling it straight off. If it's still equipped, then remove the 13mm nuts as indicated by the red arrows. Once the nuts are removed, wiggle the wiper arms back and forth gently and lift. They should pop off the pivot. If they are stuck, again use a battery terminal puller to remove them. Working at the center of the wiper cowl, remove the plastic Phillips head screws, red arrows. Once the screws are removed, pull out the center expanding anchor, insert. Working at the left side of the wiper cowl, remove the plastic Phillips head screw, red arrow. Once the screws are removed, pull out the center expanding anchor. Repeat this step for the right side. Working at the right side of the wiper cowl, remove the washer hose from the mount, red arrow. Now you have to remove the wiper cowl trim. Start by grabbing at the right corner of the windshield and pull it up, gently removing the trim piece from the mounting bracket located at the base of the windshield. Work your way across the windshield, red arrow, as you detach it. Working at the left side of the cowl, detach the drain hose from the center. Once detached, remove it from the vehicle and store it in a safe place. Working at the center of the wiper transmission, remove the 13mm fastener, red arrow. Working at the left and right side of the wiper transmission, remove the 13mm fasteners, red arrows. Lift the wiper assembly up and slide it out of the cowl far enough to access the electrical connector. Then disconnect the wiper motor electrical connector by releasing the tabs and pulling it straight off. Mercedes-Benz does not sell the wiper motor or assembly as separate parts. This does not mean there will not be an aftermarket replacement part, or you could be replacing the motor or linkage assembly with used parts from a donor car. Use the following steps to separate the motor from the linkage. Place the wiper linkage on a solid surface, then remove the linkage from the wiper motor pivot. I like to use a trim removal panel tool to lever it off the ball joint. Next, remove the 13mm wiper motor lever fastener. Then remove the 3 T30 Torx fasteners. Remove the wiper motor from the linkage. If you are reusing the wiper arm pivot assembly, it is a good idea to inspect the wiper arm pivots. Once the linkage assembly has been removed, check that both wiper pivots move freely and without resistance. You can do this by grabbing the linkage and moving it back and forth. Install the new wiper motor on the linkage assembly. Then use channel lock pliers to snap the ball socket onto the ball joint. Be sure this engages properly. You don't want to find out later it wasn't securely installed when you reinstall everything. Then install the assembly back into the vehicle. Install all the fasteners finger tight in the reverse order of removal, then tighten. This ensures proper assembly and alignment. Connect the battery and turn the wipers on, then off. This will park the wipers. Then install the cowl support and trim. Install the wiper arms, then assemble the remaining items in the reverse order of removal. Once complete, check the wiper operation. If wiper arms are chattering or not wiping well, replace the wiper blades. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.